Yo, 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 welcome back to the stream, everyone. Today we are watching the E-mini futures S&P minis. Look like we might be breaking this uptrend here right at open. We got 5 more minutes to open here. It's like we're testing the VWAP here on the S&Ps. And a little bit of a downtrend here. We're gonna see what happens when the market opens. Look for this to retest that 50 moving average. Just looking for it to bounce off that 50 moving average here before the open. We're really gonna see what's gonna happen here once it opens and tests this 50 moving average. If it rejects it, which it looks like it's gonna do, could get further momentum down. Alright, we're open. Gonna turn off my alarm here. Okay, let's see what happens. Looks like we're gonna get a rejection here. I'm gonna try to get short here. Gonna get short 3 contracts here. Looking for a little bit of a pullback here. Get short here. Looking a little bit of a pullback here. Alright, it's going on without me. Gonna look for an entry long here. Maybe a pullback to that 50 or that 20 moving average to short. Looking for a pullback to that 20 moving average around that 60, 61 area, maybe the 61.50 area potentially. We're gonna short here the 50, 61 area. We're gonna short 3 contracts here, the 61 area.
Order filled.
Oh man, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Gonna try to short again once it test this 50. It's gonna break past the 50 here. We're gonna get long here, 64. Looking for a little bit of a pullback here to get. Whoa, what is this doing? It's just flying, dude. Absolutely flying. Wow. Couldn't get long there, 64. Gonna try to short this soon. It's just ripping. Absolutely ripping at open. Alright, so we're definitely above that VWAP now. Getting a little bit of a pullback. A little bit of an uptrend here. We're going to get long here, 75. 75. 65, 75. We're going to get long 3 contracts here.
Order filled.
Getting 2 contracts here.
Order filled.
Exiting market there. A little bit dangerous here. It's moving really quick. Looks like we have a double top here, double top forming here. This 5-minute chart, just gonna get bigger, really big candle. Strong momentum upward here. A little bit of a rejection, a little bit of a fake out below that 50 moving average there. What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the stream. It's probably going to break out above this 68 area. If it can't break out here, it's going to be a triple rejection. It's going to be a little bit of a strong sell-off here. Alright, we're going to get a sell-off here. We're going to get short. Looking for an opportunity short here. Couldn't quite break that 68 area. I don't know if we're gonna retest it again. Look for 3 handles. Looking to get short here. 3 contracts at the 67. Stops above the 68 area. Looking to get short down to that 64 area. Looking to get short down in that 64 area. Looking for this to come down to that 64 area. I know there's a lot of momentum up right now. As long as it doesn't break the 68 area, we're good. If it breaks, we do have stops placed in, so we'll be okay if we get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Alright, looking like we're going to get stopped out there. One more loss, and I'm going to call it for the day. $68. Strong uptrend right now. It's trying to short for a quick scalp for a downward movement. Let's just let this play out. Let the upward momentum slow down. Was kind of hoping for a retest of that 50 moving average there. Ended up rejecting that 20 as support. See what happens here, Vic. Is it going to use the 20 as support again? I'm just going to keep waiting. Kind of broke the 13 moving average there. Could possibly get further movement down here. What was the high? 70 something? Let's see if we can get short here. 3 contracts at the 69.50.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stops at 70.75. We might actually get stopped out here. Wow. I mean, hopefully not. I thought momentum was slowing down here. And we're going to get a little bit of a downward movement here. Even a high win percentage strategy will get losing streaks once in a while. So no big deal. Alright, looks like we are going to get a little bit of a sell-off here. Waiting for momentum to stop. Second, we're going to exit there.
Order filled.
Locking in some profits there. Going to look for a retest up for a continuation short. Looking for a retest up here. Potentially to that, maybe that 20 moving average. Oh, that 69 area. Retest of that 69 area. Might be range bound now. Getting rejected from the support here. You'll see that support there. 68.50. Looking at a short here, 69 3 contracts. Looking to get a short here, 69 for 3 contracts. Gonna cancel my order there. I'm gonna let this play out a little bit longer. See what happens at the support level. Okay. Did get a test at 69, but I didn't get filled there. It's kind of testing the support right now. Currently rejecting it, but it could change any second. Let's keep an eye. Let's watch the oil futures here. Looks like we're in a strong uptrend oil futures, looking for a change into a downtrend. Could possibly be getting one right now as we speak, actually. Looking for an opportunity to short here on the oil. Waiting for this uptrend to slow momentum and change trends here. See if we are going to break above this, stay above this 13 moving average or not. Looks like we're kind of rejecting it here. Kind of rejecting this 13 moving average. See what happens. Can we stay above? Can we hold above this moving average here? Is this a fake out right now? Looking at a short here. 3 contracts. We're gonna get a short 3 contracts there at 61.
Order filled.
We're gonna get a short there 3 contracts at 61. Stops at 67. Stops at 67, short 3 contracts at 61. Look for this to pop down here. Right now it's kind of stalling. Just looking for a quick pop down here. Might get stopped out here. Might get stopped out here. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. Not quite yet, not quite yet. Not quite getting stopped yet. Dangerously close here. Got stopped there. Thought we were gonna get a trend change there. We had a cross in the Bollinger Band. We had a cross at the 20 moving average, but it was a little bit of a fake out there. Or I was too early. A little bit of a chase there. Let's see what's going on back at the E-minis. E-mini's looking like it's retesting this 3370 area, 3370 50 area. Watching oil again. Continuing to run up here. Gonna look for another opportunity short here. See what's going on. Watching the oil. Kind of hitting a little bit of resistance level here. Seeing this 5-minute chart, a little bit of a resistance level. This could get a huge sell-off if we get moving averages crossover. Just gonna wait patiently for an entry in. One more loss, like 2 consecutive losses I try to do is my stop for the day. So right now we have 1 loss right now. Currently net 1 loss, I mean. Looks like we have the 20 moving average kind of curling a little bit. 50 not quite yet. Looking for a little bit more consolidation there. Watching the E-minis. Watching... Okay. Alright, what's E-minis doing? Little bit of a consolidation now. We're in range bound now. Testing this bottom support, top resistance. Moving back and forth here. Looking for a break out of this range. Oil here, looking like getting a little bit of a momentum slowdown for sure on oil. Still in the range on the E-minis. Let's check out what gold is doing. Gold's kind of in a range too, kind of moving sideways here. Let's see. Silver is possibly entering a range or a trend change here. Bonds looking like possible trend change actually. see if we can pull up a chart here on the bonds. Possible trend change. Looks like we might get a crossover as long as this holds above the 50. The bonds are really slow moving though, so I'm just gonna keep that on the side there. Gonna look for a possible entry. Still gonna keep an eye on the chart on the side. As long as it holds above that 50, I think we're due for a little bit of a crossover here. Let's check out keep watching the E-minis here. We're in the upper end of that range. This is looking like a short here on E-minis if it doesn't break out. Moving averages are curling up, so we may... I don't know what's going to happen here. Looking like we're kind of rejecting this area, but it's still not 100%. This 20 and 50 moving average is coming up. The 20 is starting to curl down again, or curl to a flat and potentially down. Okay, 70-50. Just gotta see what happens here. Gotta wait patiently. Let's try not to rack up our losers here. Net one lose. Net one loss today. Breaking out here. No momentum though. I'm a little bit surprised it's not moving faster after this breakout. Pull up those bonds again. Looks like we didn't quite get that crossover on the bonds yet. Keep an eye on oil. Alright, oil, we're kind of staying below this 20 here. Looks like we're kind of staying below this 20 moving average here. Let's see if it holds. This could be that retest that I wanted before, where I got faked out. Let's jump in here at 68, 3 contracts. See if we can get in. If we get stopped out, no big deal. I think we can get a move downward here. Trying to get short 3 contracts here at 68. Moving it down to 67. See if we can't get filled here. 3 contracts. Damn it. Come on. Come on. Come on. What's going on without me, baby? Oh my god. Looking at 3 contracts here at 65. Oh my god. Just what I wanted. I couldn't get filled there. Looking for a run up here. Looking for it to retest the 65 here. Looking to get filled here. 3 contracts at 65. Stops at 71. Looking to get filled here at 65. Stops at 71. 3 contracts here at
Order
65.
filled.
Getting filled there. Just gonna hold it. Oh my god. If I get stopped out here, I'm gonna be so angry. Getting filled there, 3 contracts at 65. Now it's stalling. I do think we can get further movement down. If this holds, if this crosses that 50 again and holds below that 50, it's just gonna play out. Price target's 53. Looking for this to jump down to that 53 area. Looking to take profits around that 55, 53 area. Moving down so far. Stops move down to our break-even point. I do think we have further movement downward here. Kind of want this to hold. Looking for this to hold below this 50 moving average. Looking for this to go down to just the 53 area here.
Order filled.
Getting filled there. Did just what we wanted there. Net positive for the day. All it takes is one big winner, boys. Net positive for the day. Just got filled there on their short here on oil. Shorted here at the 65. Went all the way down to take profits at 55. Was not one loser there for a while, but now we're back up. We're back up to the winners. Oh, looks like E-minis are taking a dump too. Locking in some profit there. Wow, E-minis crossover and everything. That's right. We shorted oil for a big move. E-minis would have been somewhat of a similar. What the hell? I didn't turn off my alarm there. Breaking past that range. Breakout down here. See if we can get a retest of this upper Bollinger Band here. Looking like we might get a continuation downward on these E-minis. Looking to get a retest of this upper Bollinger Band, 66 area, for a retest there, 66. It actually just broke the VWAP here on, I believe it broke the VWAP. Yeah, just broke the VWAP there. Actually, just a bigger sell-off. It did kind of retest, I guess, the upper Bollinger there and the 20 moving average for a split second. This is the sell-off that we wanted before, but I got him way too early there. Got him way too early before got stopped out there on the E-minis. Looking for some kind of retest here, looking to get in. Looks like we're retesting the open. Right where it opened at 9:30 here. Looking to retest that 60 area, 3360. We'll probably get a bounce on that 3360 area, so a little bit of a support here. Let's just keep watching here. See if we can get a bounce long here at this 3360 area. I'm just gonna keep waiting patiently here. We have a Bollinger Band crossover here on this 500 tick chart. It's testing the upper band here. Look at we might get a reversal early here, preemptive reversal here. Looking like this might retest the 50 moving average potentially up at that 65 area. Getting a rejection there in the upper Bollinger Band. Might get some consolidation, continuation downward here. Down to that 60 area. Looking for a bounce on the 60 area. I'm thinking it's going to break past this mini support here. Yeah. It's going to break past here. Looking to get filled here in the 60 area. Long 3 contracts here. This 3360. Might get faked out here below this 3360. So maybe we can get filled at maybe like 39.50, 59.50. See if we can get long here. 3 contracts for a bounce. 59.50. Stops at 58. See if we can get filled here. Gonna place an order here. 59.50. Looking for a bounce here. Gonna see if we can get a bounce here at this 59.50 area. See if we can break below the 60 area for a bounce here. Looks like we're gonna get a bounce right at the 60 level. Not quite getting filled there at the 59.50 area. That's fine. That's fine. Looking for another opportunity long here. Looking for it to hold this Bollinger Band here. Looking for it to stay above in this region. This kind of upward area of this Bollinger Band. Looking for it to hold above the 20 EMA before I get long here. Looks like our momentum's definitely slowing down on the sell-off here. Might get a double bottom here in the 60 area. Might even break below the 60 area. Gonna keep trading for about 10 more minutes here. Then we're gonna head out. Looks like we got another bounce here on this. We got a bounce on that 39.50 area. But I was only really looking to catch that first bounce. Now I'm gonna have to look for an entry long above the 20 moving average. I'm looking to get in long here between the 20 and the 50. Looking for it to hold this 20 moving. All right. We're gonna hold above this 20 moving average. Looking to get long here at 61 possibly. Looking for it to hold here. Alright, it's holding above the Bollinger Band. Holding above the 20 moving average here. Looking for a long here, definitely. Definitely looking for a long here. See if we can get filled here. 3 contracts at 62. See if we can get filled here. 3 contracts at 62. Looking for a little bit of a pullback here. Canceled my order there. Looking for a little bit of a pullback at 62 or lower. That's where I want to get in. See if we can get a little bit further pullback here. $62.25s. See if we can get I want a little bit of a further pullback here. Looking for about a handle pullback here. Maybe that 61.50 area. Looking for a pullback to that 61.50 area. I wanted to kind of retest this 50 moving average here. Looking for this to pull back to test that about that 6150 area, potentially 62, 6150. Don't really want to get in unless it's going to retest this area here. Looking for a little bit of a sell-off here. Looking for it to retest at least the 20 EMA. We're going to bounce off the support here. It might run off without us, but that's fine. If it doesn't retest this area, then we don't want to get in. I think for it to get further momentum, we definitely have to retest. We got definitely have momentum slow down on this upward Bollinger Band. It's getting flat now. It's telling us that it's contracting a little bit. Really looking for this to break below this middle Bollinger Band and then kind of retest this 50 moving average and this 20 moving average here. It's going to retest this VWAP here. Looking like it's hitting a lot of resistance at this VWAP. I think we have to get a pullback for it to break through, kind of reset itself. If we can get a little bit of a pullback here, shorts can get out, and alright, we might break out here. Damn. No retest, just a breakout. It's kind of looking for a different move there. Bonds actually breaking out here. Looks like it held above that 50 there. Bonds holding above that 50, running up a little bit there. Kind of missed that entry there. Kind of was shorting oil, that's fine. We got our movement anyways, we got a winner anyways. Can't trade everything all at once unless you have a program. Looking at oil here. Looks like it might be entering a range here, a little bit of a range here. An oil. The short-term downtrend is kind of stabilizing a little bit. Looking at the E-minis here, looking like we're getting that sell-off that we wanted. Kind of broke above that VWAP for a second there, but on the 5-minute chart, it's a wick. Getting a sell-off here, looking to get long here. Want this kind of break below here, test this kind of ran off. I didn't even know what happened there. It was just so quick. I mean, I know we were definitely in an uptrend, just kind of wanted to catch the bounce a little bit, kind of missed that bounce there. See if we can get another pullback here. See if we can't get a retest of this 50 here. We can get a retest of the 50 and a rejection off of that 50. It could be very big. Looking for a 3-handle move here. Looking for to break this 20. Definitely get a little bit of bears entering in here. You can see here, one pullback, two pullbacks. Want to pull back to that 6250 area. Shit, this might be 3 handles in itself. If I can get a pull back to that 62. price action is telling me that it's slowing down a lot here. Minimally might get a handle pullback. Kind of hitting that 66 resistance here. Support and resistance. In the 66 area here. See what happens here. Breaking right past there. Looks like it's a runner. Potentially 60s. Next target would be 70. Next target would be 70 unless it gets stopped here, which I doubt it will. 68. Next target's 70. Looking for it to run up to 70 here. Or this could be a fake breakout. Could be a massive sell-off right here, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. I mean, it closed above that support. It closed above that 66 area. At least on the 1 minute chart. Big wick there, so a lot of doubters. A lot of doubters in chat. Looking for a possible 3-handle short here. For a possible 3-handle short here. Still holding this 20. Moving average really strong here, so definitely gonna wait till at least a crossover on the 13 Bollinger Band. I'm alright with walking away for the day too. Locking those profits earlier. That one big win canceled out that loss there. One big win on oil. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a double top here above this 66 support now. Getting a little bit of a double top there. Consolidation. Alright, we have a breakout. Have a breakout here. E-minis. Everything in me is kind of screaming to short this. Just the way this Bollinger Band is curving. Screaming to short. We got smaller candles on the 5-minute chart. Momentum slowdown on the 1-minute chart. On the tick chart, momentum slowdown. Alright. Possible entry short here. The question is, can it hold this? Can it hold this below this 20 moving average? Can it break below this support here? That's the real question. This could easily be a fake out. This will be the last trade for the day. If we do enter here. Might not even enter. Might not even enter here. Alright, we have Bollinger Band expansion here. Looking for a little bit of a pullback back up to the 66.75 here. Looking for it to retest that 20 moving average and for this 50 to flatten here. A little bit of a gap up there. Okay. Okay, very good thing we didn't enter there. We got to retest this 20. It's breaking past here. This could be a bounce, really big bounce up. Alright, a little bit of a wick there. Bollinger Band expansion here. She might be looking like a... Nah, couldn't keep up. I was going to say if momentum was going, it was looking like a clear long all the way up to 70. But it couldn't even break past. Got the double rejection there. Want this 50 moving average to kind of flatten a little bit more. So I think we're going to continue to test the 67.50 area to either pop off to 70. But if it can't pop off to 70, it's going to keep consolidating until this 50 moving average is kind of flattened. And then once the 50 moving average is flattened and it holds below the 20 moving average, then it could be a really good entry short here. Because the 20 is right at where the 13's at, so... Okay. Alright, we might get a sell-off here. Might get a sell-off here. Stops at 67.75. Alright, looking to get short here. 3 contracts.
Order filled.
66.25. 66.25 here. Really want it to hold below this 20 moving average here. Kind of banking that's going to cross over the 50. So stressful. If you guys stopped out, it's fine. We'll take a small loss for the day, but we know what we're willing to lose here. Stops at 67.75. It's retesting the 67 area. Man, I broke above the 67. Really good chance we're gonna get stopped.
Filled.
Yeah, we got stopped out there. Alright, no big deal. Gonna call it a day here. Thank you for tuning in, everyone. See you again tomorrow at 9:30.